Sana bir bak. Hiç canım mı sıkın? Niye hayır ne oldu?
Şey yok abi. Alright guys, we're gonna start with the stream. That's fine, man. I'm waiting on the email, bro. Anyway, hey guys, welcome to the stream. I'm streaming on YouTube and Discord again. So we did have a beautiful Asian session yesterday. We took some trades. We're up 900 on the funded right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and log off and just paper trade for the rest of the day. Or maybe I'll use my Bolonex account. They just rebuild me. I don't know why they rebuild me. Up 900 on there as well, but we can. I'll take the trades on there, but we'll do paper on trading. Both screens at the same time. So basically, before the stream, I longed this BPR here. Once we broke above this 5-minute BPR, I longed to whatever this is. This is Mondays. This is today's 10 a.m. FEG first presentation. Worry the 5-minute. I longed it from here. I closed above, I don't know, right there, and I closed it exactly at 35, just 1 point before it. I expected it to go in here, but if you drop to the 1 minute, we had at my entry, we were inside the 1 minute from Wednesdays, and I don't know who said it. I think Silent said it. Wednesday is gonna be like a capstone or something of the week, so I didn't want to hold longer than that. I expected some rejection, but then I scrolled a little bit to the left, and I saw we already rejected it 3 times. So I'm like, okay, I can maybe grab 5 points extra, and that made me 900 with contracts. Sorry, it made me 700. I was up to 100 in Asia. Okay, so right now, pretty bullish. I didn't check the chart since Asia, so let's have a look. Where we are in the market. So on the daily, obviously, we came very close to 1900s and we left it intact, right? So that's what they do normally. They leave it very close to it, they pump it above, and then they come back and target when you least expect it. But so far we're still bearish on the week, on the daily, and probably all the high time frames until we close above this, invest this 1 minute on, sorry, this one, oops, my bad. Once we invest this daily FEG, right? So I'm gonna just leave it like that, like there. So just to know, in 3 hours, if we do close above it, then we can start expecting some nice run to the upside. Of course, it's gonna probably be trace and stuff, but at least we'd have like a market structure shift right here. Not really optimal market structure shift because we didn't really take out this low, so it's supposed to be low, high, lower, 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 low, higher, high. But on lower time frame, it's probably at around the hourly or something. We'll probably have a low right there, and that would be a nice market structure shift. So yeah, we won't get CSID until we invest this pretty much. Actually, we already got CSI changes of delivery. We just invest in this this daily, and then probably from there we can make our way up to this volume imbalance and this one there as well. But that's a long road ahead. The whole point is just to look at what we are in the market right now. Okay? We're always looking to what we target. We're always looking to what we're going to be entering on. That's the execution from Asia. We're looking at what to be targeting or where we're entering, but we never look at where we are. Right? So that's the daily. I'm gonna move it. But on the 4 hour, we're forming immediate rebalance, right? So this is at 6 a.m. I don't really care about the 6 a.m. I care about the 10 a.m., which ends in 22 minutes. And that's a pretty nice immediate rebalance on the 4 hours. So we can expect some nice momentum to the upside if we close above here in the 20 minutes. We'll keep an eye on that. I'm just gonna draw a line here, indicating that this is 789. That's easy to remember. So if we do close around here, we can be expecting huge pumps for the rest of the day, or maybe the rest of the week. But we are tapping into this 4 hour here. And finally, after since 10 months, since a week, we literally, this is the first time we invest one high time video, right? A 4 hour. So we can't really say we're now pretty, like, bearish on the higher time frames. We're kind of neutral, if I may say, for the time being, until this 22 minutes ends. We can say we are bullish again. Here you go. Low, lower, low, higher, high. So here we have a market structure shift. So, or a change in track in the market on the 4 hours, and we have investors 4 hours. So that's great. Note that it's just good to know that we are starting to go bullish. Now we drop to the 15 minute. Let's see what we can target. Yes, it is high. Thank you, it is high. We do have this breaker. Is that green candle or is it? So this is the breaker. Actually, this is the breaker. We have a breaking up on yes, 15 minutes, a high time. So we can maybe look for some shorts. If we sweep this high here, which we did now, that's liquidity taken, and now we can maybe look for some kind of reversal counter trend for NQ. We have a similar scenario. Again, is this a blue candle or is it a black? It's a blue. Normally I take it from the open of the price all the way down to the wick, but you can also take the high. It's too wicked, so it's a lot. It's not going to be that high. So here we have a 15-minute break on both ES and NQ, with liquidity just above it, which we swept. So we swept internal, sorry, swept external. Now we wait for internal to be swept. So this is here. These are the internals. If we close above this, we should be very good. It's boring from Monday, 5 minutes. Essentially, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a high to be swept, the internals, and then invest 1 minute FEG and maybe we can take this down. How's the sweep strategy doing? Let's have a look at the sweep strategy. That can give us another good idea. So technically, the AM, the PM didn't sweep either sides, the low or the highs of the new AM. So right now we're just waiting. Pretty much either high or the low gets taken out. Targeting right now the AM session high. All this is a trend on liquidity, downside, upside. Notice liquidity around. Looks like original consolidation to me. Original consolidation, drop, return to consolidation. Notice sell here. First stage of accumulation, second stage, and then distribution to spot market reversal, which is pretty much it's NWOG and this Wednesday's fair value gap on the 5 minute. and then coming outside our way up back. I don't want to another time we might see it. It's much clearer. By the way, this is a cell model, original consolidation. Take it out, and taking out the original consolidation of the cell model, we formed a bimodel, which we're about to take out in a 5 minutes. So it's models inside of models. Here's your bimodel. Pretty much, if close above this, we can start looking for some longs. This is the floor right here. Everybody's sleeping tonight. Oh shit, I'm on the stream. I'm not streaming that. I'm streaming the disclaimer. Cut it out.
I've done that before.
It's the first time I put disclaimer on, so I'm not really sure that it could be a problem, but apparently it is. Alright, we took some internals out. I want to see it come back into this. Last presentation, maybe rebalance all these a little bit. More like a breaking structure. Scalp ourselves up to this target right now. That's row 1, 4 stars. Back side. Also, first presentation of today on the 15th. So I want to see if we can rebalance all the way back here before we go back to that. We have a rejection block right here. Close that over. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. So we do have sentis. We do have sentis at the high as well. NQ is the weak one, so it's probably a short NQ. Just 1 minute confirmation. Alright, we invest this 1 minute here. We tapped into it, so it just starts spooling down a bit. We have this VG as well, which is pretty much it's better if we tap into this, but like a quick scalp, if I put it like this, I close again here. Or we can invest this again, so we can maybe scalp ourselves up to the draw. Still have this. Just one more confirmation. If we take out this high and drop down, we form a breakup lock. So that would be a nice. And in time we'd have a VPR as well. Very tight. So respected this, we might be good for this, but I'd rather take this high out and then displace down. And if it taps into this and displaces down, that would be great. Alright, draw number 1 here, guys. I'm gonna try to play the reversals. So these green candles, we want, got this high. So we swept in candles now. So a close below, or just a wick below this level right here would give me a change to delivery. So that would allow me to take a short. Let's see if we tap into the midpoint of this as well. Yes, it's an story as well. Not today. Alright, investing this would be a nice, real smooth scalp short. smack a short here once this closes. Stop. Target is BPR. Right, I'm in one right now. Well, look at the fill. What kind of fill is this? Stop at that. That's a shit fill. It's supposed to be entering there. Look. Hopefully it helps. If this goes above the inversion, I'll terminate the trade. Targeting 8 points, which is nothing. I expected this to be 1 minute as well. It's not good. Alright, close above this, we terminate the trade. Or we just drop the stop loss to where we're gonna be stopped now. Actually, it's bad to get out. I'm just gonna trade it. If you use it as support. Alright. It's not ready to spool it. He gave us a nice hint right there, but wait for that confirmation. We're still like $120 in that. Well, our stop loss was here. I don't know. I think the stop this high is gonna be taken out. That's why I didn't keep that high. It's pretty stuff. How's ES doing? I mean, ES doing was this one imbalance. It's gonna work out. You just got stopped up prematurely, guys. How goes the VPR? Well, I still think this high is taken up. That's why I'm not gonna read it. Great entry right here. Nah. Yes, has to invest this for us to take the investment into. It did offer us nice 8 points, like 1-1, but we got set down prematurely. Okay, I like the signature here. I like that much. If he gives me a pump up, I'll show it. We have a breakup block with an FPG, so side probably order break. So we can expect it to do these. That's why I was hesitant to take the block. I'd rather us wait to get out of this range and then finish it. We are making low lows, lower highs. Let's show us what happened once we get CSI. Target this. Looks like it wants the BPR, guys. I'm just scared that it's just gonna keep barcoding up and down, like teasing us. Okay. Old me would be re-attempting this. You guys saw like the streams, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Yeah. So from here, I want to see it start going on. Oh, see, only here we should be looking for loans. Straight to our target, guys. Straight to our target. Zero drawdown on the thing you take along here. I don't know what that was. I did not expect that. But if we have the same T anymore, we don't. It's great. So now we should be looking for shots, definitely. We just need to get the changes to our delivery. We're doing another 1 minute break in here as well. Alright, we'll form the 15-minute as well. That was a wick though, that was a wick. You guys see that? Thing is, I can't see what's on the left. What you got, chat? What do you guys think? Longs or shorts? I'm looking for an inversion to go short. This would be here. Maybe come back to trace to the 15 minutes. Rebalance. Oh, by the way, the 4 hour guys. The 4 hour closed. That's why you see that big pump. You remember when we at the start of the stream we said 4 hour immediate rebalance? Once this candle closes in 20 minutes, we're gonna see big candles up. Well, that was your big candle right there. That was not random. 40-point candle in a second. Grab a little block. But we're inside a 15-minute break, that's why I want us to retrace to like at least 15 minutes to go higher. So we want to go higher. You get what I mean? So we can either look for shorts to this area, or Wait for it to come back here and then we look for them. ES inverse, I think. Next target for ES is this. I anticipate this is an inversion, and then maybe we can scalp the short one. I think it looks better now. This is the draw right now. We want to come back to the 15 minute, we just have to find an entry. Inverse this would look for a short, like this right here. If we get an inversion. Where's the 4 hour open? You're open here, right? It always the manipulated up. What the problem? Bullish breaker. 30 seconds, but I'd rather take this high and then drop. Nothing in yes until we invest this. Good, by the way, for me, consolidation. Manipulate it up, maybe you can go down, or this is a consolidation to go up from a sell model. I want to attempt the short so bad. Rejection block here. We take out the high on the 30 second. We attempt something like this. It'd be good risk to reward. Yeah. Put the high here. I think we'll wait for a better entry. So we took the high on the 30 seconds. Reinverse this as well. So ES is going pretty much to its target right now. It's draw. It's better to long ES, in my opinion. Become a breaker here. Maybe we'll attempt a short long here. The chart's frozen for you. I will target this, something like this. Target 5 points. 5 points. Once this candle closes above, we enter one right here. Even maybe in this effigy right here would be much better. That would be a nice unicorn on the 30 seconds. But I just think it's gonna run. Let's see if it ups us in. Our invalidation would be below this 1 minute. Now I stop below the for 5 points, basically the change of stock delivery. It may tap into this 1 minute, and then I want to see it run from here. Even though I'm looking for shorts, we're trending. We're taking a trade with the trend right now. If we held this 1 minute, I'll add one more. From the 1 minute. The 1 minute. I want to see it. Tap it and then run. Like the space up. That'll be our confirmation for the longs, okay? Otherwise, inverting this, we're going to go all the way down. Inversing this, we'd have to look for shorts. Hopefully, before that, we hit our TP. Close above a high, we move our stop loss up a little bit. We're in a macro, so our entry is nice. We're in power up, not we're in silver bullet for the PM, which is nice too. So there's nothing wrong with our entry. We have a volume imbalance here, so it may come back and kick in. Hopefully it leaves it. What's that volume imbalance? Right here. The version of this is very disgusting. It may wake into the volume balance for AQ on here as well. I want to see how it reacts on this volume imbalance. If it wicks back up immediately, that's great. If it's still here, I might have to terminate. Right, we wicked into it, I think. Good, right? Yeah, I want to see it wake up now immediately. Pass back up, back to breaking. If it does that, we're good on the right side. There you go. Whip that back up. Great, we're on the right side for the time being. He has to close here. Still respecting this. There we go. We gained the displacement, so we can maybe add to our position and move our stop loss up once this candle closes. Any retracement is a buy now. If this candle closes up above these highs, any retracement is a buy. If it comes back wicks and below break even, then it's gonna either stop us out or it's gonna just consolidate for a bit. But it's doing exactly what we anticipated it to do, so that's nice. Beautiful. I don't know if it's a village candle or not, but it's basically. We want take away from TP, guys. Look, one take away. You can move stop loss to break even at this point. I was looking to add. We didn't get the opportunity. I wanted this to open, close, rebalance a bit. We enter at the drop. There you go. TP again. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful execution. Beautiful execution. Everything was aligning. We're in the trend. We know the draw. We're looking for entries. We got the best entry. We're in the macro, so time is right too. And like I said, this is a sell model right now. This is a sell model, so I don't expect it to go down. I expect it to go up. This is origin consolidation, retracement into origin consolidation, first stage of accumulation. Now we're looking for second stage. So I can still see it go much higher. We just have to reaccumulate a bit, like another consolidation. And now we're gonna get a big ass pump. Small money reversal somewhere, which I don't know where it is, and then drop back up and take out this low. Drop W in the chat, guys. Wanted to